Hey guys, it's Cass and Alonso. We're here in Dahlonega. We're about to go fishing. Today's a rainy day, so we have our ponchos on, but it's gonna be a good one.
All right, let's do it.
Alonso, I'm getting bites. Right now we're at this like little pond across from the Airbnb we're staying at, and I'm already getting bites. It's like a little hidden pond. Alonso, every cast. Alonso, I got one. I got one. I'll try to get it off. It's so pretty. I think it's a red breast, maybe? You're getting bites? Oh, okay. It's starting to rain more. You had one? You had one? Dang, what was it? Dang. I got a bite, but I didn't get the fish. Yeah, I'm getting so many bites, that's crazy. This little secret area. I'm gonna have to fix my bait. So we're both using these little crappie baits. Mine's like black and green. And his is pink with green, I think, right? Yeah. Dang, these things are attacking it. That's crazy. Every cast. You too? I think they're kind of small, so maybe that's why they're not getting hooked. You got one? Hey, what is that one? Is that a crappie?
No, it's not a crappie. It's
Nice. this is the creek. It is very shallow over here. So hopefully we can find some deeper areas where we can actually fish. We're gonna get soaked. We really need to get some waders so that we can go in and not be freezing, because this water is cold, cold, cold. Let's see if we see anything. Right here's a little deep hole. Trying to see if there's any fish. I don't see any. So should we go in? You say yeah? I think I'm just gonna get my pants wet, because they're already wet anyways from the other place.
Oh, yeah, I'm gonna try not to get my pants wet.
Should we go in over there since it's easier to get in so we don't fall? Yeah. Right here maybe, Hunter?
You want me to
go? Or should we go to the more shallow area?
I'll probably just go through the rock.
Yeah, maybe like right here. Yeah, you go first. Then I'll just record you.
Oh, it's cold.
I told you. That's how cold it was over there. Whoa, these rocks are going to be hard. They're not sturdy. Most of them are not sturdy. I feel like it's not that cold to me anymore because I just went in already.
Alright.
Okay. Rain. Hopefully we can find some fish. Is there any over here? You see any? Because we got to throw ahead of us. Yeah, it is shallow, but I mean, you can catch little things in the shallow.
We'll find it.
Hopefully we can find some good areas. We need to invest in some waders. This is actually our first time filming a video for YouTube. I don't know if this will be the first video we post, but it is our first time filming. To be honest, yeah. You can try. Are these bites or are these getting stuck to the floor? Probably the ground, right? Wait, is something actually chasing it? It felt like something was chasing it, but I think it just got stuck maybe. You got it in the tree already, Alonso?
Yeah, I got that.
Oh, okay. I think it might be too shallow, but you have some deeper area right there.
Yeah, that's what I was trying to throw through, but I'm not too accurate.
Yeah, I think it's just, mine's just getting stuck.
Ooh,
There might be some little fish though. We saw them yesterday.
ooh, I'm definitely getting bites right there.
Yeah, I got a bite too, I think. So maybe you can get something. Put mine on a little bit better. That should be good. Little crappy baits. I wonder how far this goes.
It's pretty far. I don't know how deep it'll be.
I feel like it has to be bites because I see it like the line moving backwards.
I'm definitely getting bites right here, like I feel it.
But mine's very shallow, so let me see if I can throw it a little further.
Yeah, see if you can throw it over there.
Oh, over there?
Yeah, underneath. You can get it?
So I forgot to start recording, but I just caught a little, I think it's a little bass. It's so cute. I'm gonna try to take it off. It's like swallowed it also.
You got the
It's so
right
cute.
there.
Oh my gosh. It swallowed it. Great. No, I have to get the hook out. Here, let me help. Let me get. I don't think it's in the gut though. I don't think it's in the gut though. You got it? I'm scared to hurt it. It's so soft.
It's not a bass.
What is it?
It's like a creek chub or something, I think.
It's so cool.
Oh.
Yeah, it's swimming. I think it's okay.
Yeah, I think it just needs to get more oxygen.
So it wasn't a little bass then, huh?
No, definitely.
Got one. Got one.
Nice.
Is that another one of that? I think.
Yeah, it's like a creek chub.
Let me show the camera. But this is what it looks like. It's so cute. That one making noises.
Hey.
Oh, it came out. Okay. It swam away.
Okay, nice.
Yeah, I see it over there.
Oh, yeah.
That
Look
one
at it
was.
go.
That's so cool. Okay, you gotta catch them now. Let me stop fishing and let you catch them.
No, you keep catching.
What if you're getting bites right now? They're eating your
No,
rod.
it's like right there.
Oh, okay. Alright, Lonzo, catch one. Oh, yeah, there's a plop over there. You saw it? Oh, yeah. Just leave it for a second and jig it a little bit. You got one?
I'm getting bites.
Okay. You got one?
I got one.
You got one.
Oh,
Oh, it came off. Okay, catch it again. Catch it again. It's so fun watching them swim in the water.
Feeling the little bites.
I wonder if they can see it on camera. You got one?
I got one.
Yeah!
A little
Creek chub.
creek chub or something.
Let me
I
show
have no
them, let
idea
me
what
show
it
them.
is.
It's so cool. This one looks a little different.
Yeah, this one might actually be.
Okay, my turn.
Or is it like,
I
there's
don't
no way these are small baby carp.
Oh, are they?
I don't know. I think creek chub is how it is.
They're so
We gotta-
cool.
Oh, we can bleach it or just cut that part off.
Dang, that was not close enough to over there. I gotta get like right under the tree. You got it? Is it stuck back?
That's off. Oh, it's swimming away. They're just small and feisty.
You can throw it. There's one right there. There's one right here. There's a big one right there. But there's some under the tree too.
I'm about to catch this anymore.
Did it go swim back over there?
Yeah. Ah. Am I in your way?
No. Go ahead, because I threw it back.
No, go. You go again.
I already caught two. You gotta catch two. One thing about me and Alonso is we always want each other to catch fish. So I was like, no, you go. No, you go. Catch more fish. Oh, I got one.
Nice.
Yay. They're getting a little smaller though. I think we're catching the bigger ones. Okay, little creek chub. I could probably take this one. I'm gonna try. I'm gonna try to pick it up.
Professional.
So do these get stressed out or what?
I have no idea.
Or did it?
Creek chubs? I don't think so.
I don't think so.
They're feisty.
They are feisty. Come on, little one. Let me try to take you off. Instead of getting my husband to do it all the time. Oh shoot, they are feisty. I feel like the pliers would make it so much easier to take it out. I got it.
Hey. This probably did. It seems like
I
they just
did
take some
it.
time to. Nice. What do I want to try?
I caught 3, so you gotta get to catching. And they're still eating this little worm that's like not even existent anymore. I'm looking at you, that's karma.
What happened?
I almost just fell.
Did you hit me there?
Maybe. Let me hold this backwards. I laughed at you, that's karma. See, you should have fished in these deep holes before walking in it.
Nah, this sounds like how I fish.
You never know.
I think down over there is how I fish.
Think so?
Oh.
Under that tree right there is probably so good. Gotta bring out the big guns, the worms.
Yeah,
It's very shallow that way, but under the tree it might be more deep. Doesn't hurt to try. What about right here? This YouTuber will be like, she don't know how to fish.
Maybe a fish will spawn here.
You never know. Are we gonna go under?
I think so.
There has to be fish right there. Yeah, it's like still water, but how do you fish under that? I think we're gonna have to go that way and try to, like, how are you gonna fish under that, Lancer? You're on video. I'll throw to the right. Oh, I guess not. You see him? You see him? Okay, you throw, you throw. You're getting bites? Oh, yes! You got one! It's a little baby. Is that the same species?
I think so, yeah.
Oh, that one's like colorful.
Oh, yeah, wow. Yeah.
Hey, is that a trout?
No.
Okay, wait. So if you're catching over there, I'm gonna catch over there. I almost had one. Let me see. Dang. Yo, it might be deep over there. It might get deep over there. You did? Ooh, got one. I'm not even paying attention to my worms in there. Let's see this one, the same colorful thing. No, that one looks different.
This
Wait,
one
show this one to the camera. That one has like a black line in it. That's so cool. The other one has like the rainbow, like reflective thing. Dang, there was a big one chasing it. These fish aren't having it on, so. I got one!
Nice.
The baby one. That one's just probably the smallest one we caught today, though. It's so little. I feel like some of them are like rainbowy, like reflective, and some of them are like, it's so weird these make noise. I don't like it. This one barely got hooked. You hear the noise that they make? You got one?
Yeah.
Oh shoot, that was a good one too.
Yep.
It's stuck like on the edge of the lip. I don't want to rip the lip. You see it?
Yeah. So you think you got it?
I don't know. I don't want to rip it. I'll hold the fish. You get the hook. Okay.
Hey, swam away.
That was a big one that you got.
I know.
That's so sad.
tragic. We're just a menace to the creek.
We're back again at the creek behind the Airbnb today. I got one!
Oh, nice.
Creek chub! Creek chub, I think, or is that a trout? Hold on. That looks a little different than the other ones. Is it a creek chub?
Hold on. Oh, that's a big creek chub.
Hey, show the camera.
There you go.
Nice.
That's nice.
Yes.
You want to take it off?
Sure. You have the
Actually,
ooh, that one's acting up.
Jeez.
That one's mad it got caught. I put it right in between those two rocks.
I told you that's where the big ones were.
He caught, I don't even think we got it on video, right? When you caught the black catfish over here, dang, he caught like a really nice sized black catfish over here. All the fish in this creek hide under the rocks, we figured out. So that's why we just drop it like right there. And they just come out of hiding. But I might have scared all the other ones away when I just caught that one. So we'll see. Maybe I'll try. Oh, that's a big striped one. It just went under this rock. So the striped one I keep telling you about.
I need to see it.
You do. Let me see. Let's see if it comes out of hiding.
Oh.
Oh, that's a good one. That's a good throw.
That's the one.
It's gotta be. If not, then there's no fish over here. We gotta find the hidden fish, don't we? I feel like we probably could have caught fish over there when we went. I feel like we didn't catch anything because what is this? A crawdad!
Oh my god, that's a big one too.
I caught a crawdad! I was wondering why I wasn't getting bites. So this one's hooked.
Oh, let go, this ain't for you.
Don't drop it too far down, you're gonna hurt it.
Go, just swim away.
Oh.
Let go.
It's still holding onto the line?
Yeah, let go.
Let me get this.
Oh, there we go.
Okay.